He doesn't even get off the train, it just crashes through the middle of the supermarket. Just. Oh no! The groceries are on the other side of Walmart. Oh, damn it. There's just no other response. In fact, insert something interesting here because I can't think. Rainbows are circular, actually, not arcs. Dish, your soul is as bitter as cotton candy. Get away. Plaque. Also, I don't know why I gave him a Wario voice. Oh, you want fun? Big goat show you fun. I'm sorry, I'm not doing that voice. What, Goatman? I have found my people. Oh, Goat Girl would put Goat Guy on the top. Next up is one of the big hitters. The protagonist. The main character of the game. Little shit. But eventually all little shits grow up to become big shits. Speaking of big shit, hat adult. No. Absolute morons. These idiotic, bouncy flabs of skin. These unintelligent bowls of walkable fat. I want to smooch them. Oh god, okay, go girl, let's see. So this is how I could live with you. I sleep on the floor, I eat your trashiest food, and I'm small. To bring this up again. I mean, you bring up good points, Goat Girl. But what are we gonna do about the bathroom situation? Have you thought of that? I don't think goats have the capability of being able to use the toilet. See, for me, it's the red hair and the freckles. Those are two of my design weaknesses.